Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. Today, another unboxing, of course, and actually unbagging. So it is our Ipsy Glam bag. Now, this is $12 a month, and I think this has been doing a lot better than the Plus. And that's like saying something, because the Plus is $25 a month and this is $12. So, I really enjoy this. I will leave a link down below for refer a friend if you guys don't have this and want to join. And like I said, it's $12 a month. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I forget what I chose because you can choose one item. And I don't know if my add-ons are going to be in here. All right, so yeah, one of my add-ons is in here. So I know I added this on, and it is a Farrah brush. And it is Blender Brush 25 EL, and I absolutely love this brush, so that's why I went and got another one. Really nice brush. It's a really nice blending brush. It's nice and tight. And then they sent another brush, and this you can just tell by the way it looks. It is SL Miss Glam, and I love the little accents on this. Does it say what it is? Okay. It does, but I can't read it. It says something blender, like 10 feet. I don't know what the number is, but it's really pretty, super soft. I do enjoy getting her brushes. All right, so that was what was in the package, and now we got the bag. I like this bag better than I liked the Plus because I think that the colors on this is a little bit better and the tassels better. So we do have a card, and it is this: Get That Glow, a new season on the horizon. A new season is finally on the horizon. Let the excitement in the air spark new ideas like sunset lids or megawatt highlighter, and bask in every light you find. Ready to get glowing? So May 2020, here we go. 5/21 is choose your product, and on the 2nd of each month is add-ons, just little. Okay, so they did this to me in Plus too. There's nothing on there about the products. I don't know why they're doing this. So we'll just have to go through it. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Spotlight Eye Cream. Never heard of it. Make your skin breathe comfortably. It says Spotlight Eye Cream provides long-lasting moisture, brightness, and firmness when applied to the under eye area. Made in Korea. Okay, so there's that. A nice size eye cream because you don't need much. All right, next item. Oh, yeah, actually this might have been what I picked. So it is the Tarte H2O Gloss, and it is in Below Deck. So I think they're super cute. Let me do a swatch for you. All right, I love it. There you go. Super pretty, and it smells good too. So I love these glosses. Now this is my third one, so I don't know if I added this or if it is a part of the box. I don't know. All right, moving on is another item that I've gotten before, and it is from Benefit, and it is the Roller Lash. A lot of people like this, and a lot of people don't. The wand on this is not a natural wand. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know. Maybe I'll give it a second try. It is a really, I mean, the formula is good. I just don't like the wand. But there's that, and that's good for a nice brand in the bag. And then it looks like this is the last item, and it is from First Aid Beauty, Fab Pharma Arnica. I don't know what that says. Relief and Rescue Mask. So that's what it looks like. And it is only filled up to here, so it's not full. But it says apply to clean, dry skin, allow to absorb tissue off any excess. Okay. So another moisturizer basically, but it's in a mask form. Soothe and de-stress. All right, so let's recap our box. So we have the First Aid Beauty, and we have Benefit, which is two really good name brand stuff. A pretty decent eye cream, well, pretty decent size for eye cream. We have the Tarte H2O, and we have a brush, plus the other brush that I ordered. So what do you guys think? I think it was an okay bag. It's not like their best bag, but I really like the brush, and I really, really like this. So, and this I definitely will give a try. I will give this a try again. The eye cream, I don't know if I'll be trying it anytime soon because I have a lot of eye cream. But I'm not mad at it at all. It might go in a future giveaway. It might not. I'm not sure. So that's it for this, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell down below. And like I said, I will leave a link down there for a refer a friend for you. And other than that, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Have a fantastic day. Bye.